1 hour later. 2 hours later. 3 hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
You don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to go. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust, yeah, you won't back down. Even if you gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know you always come and go, but in time I control.
Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by ya. You're a sunflower. I think your love will be too much, or you'll be left in the dust, unless I stuck by ya. You're the sunflower.